You guys, before we get into the video, I just want to let you know and apologize for the lack of videos. As you might be able to hear, I don't know if you can or not, I'm sick. I worked like 5 days straight in a row, and as soon as I got off and had time off, I got sick. So I haven't really been able to film anything. So I managed to get this together for you guys so that we can have a video this week. Now, I usually like to post 2 to 3 times a week, but that didn't happen this week. So I do apologize, and thank you guys for sticking with me. The new Slammin' Drop is in March, and more updates on that soon. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one.
It's important to practice good hygiene, at least if you want to run with my team.
I've been able to do this, dude. Me too. Fuck that guy, dude. Stupid redneck.
You left the party in bed too soon, so you could lay on the bathroom floor. Your brother called me a shit for leaving you outside of Carrie's apartment. Will you stop being such an asshole? Will you stop being such an asshole? I wish my dad would stop drinking. I wish my friends would start thinking about all the reasons to stay home now. All the reasons to stay home now.
All right, so a lot of people have been asking how to do back tails, so I'm gonna go through a little brief tutorial on that. Obviously, you're gonna approach the ledge backside, but there's like a few ways that you can go about this. Now, when I first learned this trick, I think this goes for most people too. I might be wrong, but at least my friends, when we started trying this trick, it's a lot easier to come out fakie. So you wanna learn back 180s before this, probably. I'm not super good at back 180s, but I was good enough at them to be able to get into a back tail. And you want to learn back 5-0s first, because you want to learn how to sit on the back end of your board and keep all the pressure back here. You're going to approach the ledge backside. Now, when you get into it, you're going to naturally want to keep spinning, and it's going to fall out fakie. Something that I recently rediscovered is if I ollie into it and I'm stiff-legged, it's a lot easier to get stuck going backwards. So when you get into it, try to keep your knees like bent, and that actually goes for all tricks. If you keep your knees bent, you're gonna have a lot more control with the trick, because if you bend your knees, you're gonna have more space between the ground and the bottom of your feet for like landing and moving, and just more time in general, because that's what you want to maximize. You want to maximize the time between the trick and the land, because it's gonna obviously give you more time. It's pretty simple. It's just like an ollie. That's it. But like when you approach the ledge, you just want to ollie high enough so that your back truck is going to be over the ledge. What I started doing when I first learned this trick, like last second when I noticed that my back truck is over the ledge, like I'm going to go to a back 5-0, at the very last second, I turn into it. If I'm trying to go to regular, like if you don't want to go to fakie, because I mean, if you just fall out fakie, honestly, that's like kind of a cop out of the land. You're not really being in control of the trick. But I mean, that's probably what's gonna happen first, is you're just gonna fall out fakey, but you're still doing the trick. So don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that you're not doing the trick, but it's more controlled if you keep your knees bent and you're looking over your shoulder too. Like that's gonna all help the trick flow and go very cohesive according to plan. I don't know, I hope that makes sense. I think I hit everything. I'll demonstrate. Okay, now, even to this day when I do back tails, I feel like I still do the thing where I turn and get into the trick last minute. But if you notice, at least I could notice feeling it. I don't know how it's gonna look in the footage, I haven't seen it yet, but like my knees are bent and I'm looking back over my shoulder, therefore keeping me in control of the trick. That's like the point you wanna get to with like learning any tricks, like get in control of it. So like you're manipulating the board. Don't let the board manipulate you, because that's gonna fuck you in the end. And then if you want to do it to faking, you're gonna just fall out, and then that kind of like will help you get used to the actual sliding aspect of the trick, because it's probably going to be weird at first sliding backside. Anyway, if you have any questions, leave a comment, let me know. If you like the back tails, leave a like on the video. If you don't like the back tails, leave a like on the video. Thanks. Brian Betts has a friend, his name's Corey Keene, who owns Keene Ramps. He has a ramp building skateboard company. Obey. I've been in talks with Corey via Brian. So Brian's been this middleman for like the last 30 days or so. We've been talking about doing a video together because Corey wants to focus more on his YouTube channel. He wants to get it going in the same way that everyone else has a YouTube channel on YouTube. So we're here at his business factory? Shop. There we go. Well, we're probably gonna build something today. I'm gonna put his channel in the description below so you guys can figure it out. Yeah, we're just gonna be working together probably frequently to make content. He wants to build this channel up. There's so many ideas that we can think of with the resources that we have here for his channel and mine. Because I now have access to ramps as to where before I did not. I know you guys watching this would love to see that, and you guys can also go over to Corey, show him some love, because, man, I'm just fucking blowing it today.
You're doing great, Dale.
I feel like I am blowing it with senses today.
Heaven.
Yeah, I was gonna point that out too. What the fuck is the cat doing? So we figured out what we're gonna do. We're gonna build a box for my channel, and Corey's gonna give me a box. This is Corey. This is his shop.
There's like a little side area, and then there's a storage area for all the rental stuff.
Okay.
But this is pretty much in all its glory.
How long have you been doing
Been
this?
here for like 5 or 6 years.
And that's how long Keene Ramps has been around too?
Essentially, the first like couple months was in my dad's garage in Bellflower, and then my dad got over the mess because as you can see, like sawdust is everywhere.
Right.
Yeah, I've been here. Works out well. We have all our material. We have all our stuff we rent out. We hold like a small inventory. We have like some kickers, some boxes, some rails, like the smaller stuff. And then the mini ramps are kind of built to order. So we'll get a mini ramp order.
Oh, that's convenient.
Yeah, and we can get most things out in like 4 or 5 days. And then
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then they take like a week to ship. So if somebody on the other side of the country, say
Dude,
like...
getting a ramp or a box within 2 weeks, I feel like it's
Yeah.
good.
The boxes are quick. The boxes might
Oh,
be like
yeah.
a week because we already have them made. So we get the order the next day or maybe the same day. They're going out FedEx. But then the mini ramps go through freight carriers, and they, like I said, they might take a week, and we might need like a week to get them ready. So 2 weeks to get a mini ramp on the other side of the country.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
So Corey's gonna build me a box just like this. It's gonna be 6 feet long. Yeah, he went into heavy detail on his channel about all these materials. So again, make sure you go over there and watch that and check that out. He's got a lot of useful information and knowledge on this type of stuff. Very good person to get to know. We officially have a box. 50-50 test. It's our first trip. right, even though we came over here to build this box for me, we talked, and what we've decided that we're gonna do, actually, I think it'd be good to also help get Corey's channel going. We're gonna do a giveaway with this box. We're gonna give it away to one person, US only though, because this thing's gonna be a pain in the ass to ship. So you gotta live in the US, lower 48 that is, so no Alaska, no Hawaii, sorry, I know. It sucks, but it's a pain in the ass to ship. The requirements for the giveaway are, you have to go to Corey's channel. The link's gonna be in the description below. You have to subscribe to it. Leave a comment on his version of this video of this day of us building the box. It's gonna be how to build a skate box or something along those lines. So go to that video, leave a comment about anything at all. It doesn't matter. Just do like a hashtag in the comment. Put hashtag Keen Ramps giveaway. I'm gonna spell it out right here on the screen. So comment and then leave that hashtag after your comment. Like the video and subscribe to his channel and do all those 3 things. And we're gonna pick a random person that lives in the lower 48 of the states and we're gonna give this box away to them. You're really close to me.
I'm in his videos, so if you want to see me and Dale touching each other's private parts.
Okay, yeah, that's enough of that. I'm good on that.